everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Monique Nicole. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you stop what you're doing and press that subscribe button. Also make sure you click that bell for that notification link. So today I'm doing a DIY on how to put on eyelashes. Now the eyelashes that I'm going to be using are from Model 21 Eyelashes, which I have right here. Now I've actually been rocking with these eyelashes since the beginning of this year, and they really have been my go-to. I'm gonna show you how much I've been rocking with them. This was all the way filled, okay, and as you can see I have one missing and only one pair left on this one. And then I actually had, this is in their style 2L, and as you can see I've been rocking with them, only have 2 pair of these left. But without further ado, I actually have 4 more eyelashes to actually showcase to you. Hi, so the eyelashes that I'm going to be starting off with are the 23D eyelashes. I felt like these will probably be my most likely go-to eyelashes when I'm doing reviews and when I'm going out for the night on the town. I think they are really pretty. So I just want you to take a good look at them. I feel like they have the good combination of fullness and wispiness. So what I usually do is, before I get started, let me get the bangs up out of my face. So I'm just going to take a bobby pin and I'm just going to swoop this up you know, up out of my face. Oh, this is a look. This is giving me Monica, you know, just one of them days kind of looks. But we're gonna get into the eyelashes. So usually what I do is I just take a pair of tweezers and I carefully remove them, because sometimes the glue that has them attached to this, you know, you might be yanking a whole eyelash apart. So what I do is I take the eyelashes off, and then I try to measure. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing because I have a mirror in front of me. Is I just try to measure exactly, you know, where I want to place them. So they look like a good fit, but they are kind of long. So I just kind of eyeball it and I measure it. Now after that I figure out like, okay, I feel like I need to cut a little bit off. Now you can take scissors, hair scissors, or whatever you have. I usually take a cuticle trimmer and I just, you know, eyeball it, and I just take off a little bit at a time. And I do it on an angle, so I don't like cut straight. I tilt my cuticle trimmer this way and I cut off just a little bit, and then voila, it has separated. Now, good tip about that is do not throw away this little piece. Actually keep it to the side, because you can always use those little pieces as under eyelashes. So that's a tip. After that, I actually take this and then I will bend it, and I will put it into a circle like this, like so. And this is just to give it more flexibility when I want to place it on my eye. And I just do it like this. Alright y'all, so after I have held it down for maybe like a good 1 minute and just left it alone, it comes out like this. And that way it can give you more flexibility when it comes to the curvature of your eyelid, as you can see. So what I'm about to do now is I'm actually about to get my strip lash adhesive glue, and this is by Kiss. Now you can use whatever glue that you want to, that you prefer. This is what I have around, and it's less harsh on my eyelids because I do swap out my eyelashes all the time. So I try not to get like that super hard glue that will rip out your own eyelashes. So I use something that has a little more latex in it. So right now I am just slightly doing this because sometimes with these squeeze bottles more glue will come out than expected. So it's your preference if you want to put a dab on a piece of paper and then try to apply it with an applicant on here. That way you can get more precision. So right now I'm going to take my tweezers and I am going to carefully place this on the curvature of my eyelid. Now it's okay if you get some like on your eyelash, it could easily peel off. I usually try to do it like this, and then I'll hold it for like a couple Mississippis. So this is how it looks. Alright, so sometimes you have to be patient. It's all about patience. And I will take the corners and I will try to curvature it to my eyelash, and I'm going to hold it there until I feel like it is secure. Alright y'all, I am back. I do have both of my eyelashes on. So this is, once again, this is the 23D eyelashes right here, and I must say I'm absolutely loving this style. I would have never thought about getting this style, but I would say they're not too overly dramatic. They give me enough pop when it comes to my eyes. And I'm going to close my eyes, that way you can get a closer look. Now, if you're not all the way on with perfection, I'm still learning on how to put on strip eyelashes. I'm usually used to putting on individuals, but these seem to be a lot easier, and because I switch up my style a lot, I have come to actually gravitate to strip eyelashes the most these days. But I think they're absolutely gorgeous, like very gorgeous. So one thing I do want to tell you about these eyelashes, well, a couple things. Like I said, I've been rocking with these for the past like 9 months, is that I have fell asleep with these on and they have stayed in place. They don't feel heavy at all, but that could be determined by what kind of eyelash style you may get. I feel like maybe like the bigger, they may weigh heavier, but these ones, I don't feel like I have anything on my eyelashes. They stay on a really long time. Also, they're very easy to clean. I know I have definitely reused their eyelashes like maybe like at least 3 times tops. They're very easy to clean and to apply right back on. Now I will say this, because when you first get them, they will, well, depending on your skill level of applying eyelashes, they may take a lot longer to place on because you're trying to get the eyelash to actually stick to your eyelid, and because they're fresh out of the pack, sometimes it takes a little longer for the corners to stick. But I do know for a fact, as you continue to wear them and reuse the same pair, they'll be easy to get on just like that. So once again, these is how they look with my eyes open. Very gorgeous. You know, side picture, and then also how I'm going to with my eyes closed. So make sure y'all go ahead, make sure y'all check out Model 21 Eyelash. I will definitely put the link with the styles that I have in the description box below. Tell them your girl Monique sent you, you know. But let me take this bobby pin out, and yes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and yeah, I'm gonna do the other styles, that way you can take a look and see how those look as well.